Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben from the United States. Today is a good day to learn English. Today is a good day to learn about life. Today's episode is about balancing work and personal life. I will speak in simple words. I will speak in short sentences. I will help you with useful phrases. I will help you with short practice lines. I will help you to speak with more confidence. Work and life balance is a big idea. Many people feel busy. Many people feel tired. Many people work long hours. Many people do not rest enough. Many people also want time for family and friends. Many people want time for fun. This lesson will give tips. This lesson will give simple words. This lesson will give short examples. You can practice with me. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. First, I will explain the main idea. Then I will give tips. Then I will give a short example of how to introduce yourself. Then I will give short practice lines to repeat. Then I will give a short role play. You can pause and practice. You can repeat in your own time. What is work-life balance? Work-life balance means you find time for both your job and your personal life. Work means your job or study. Life means family, friends, rest, hobbies, sport, and health. Balance means you do not do only work. Balance means you do not do only rest. Balance means you make time for both. Why is balance important? Balance keeps you healthy. Balance helps your mind. Balance helps your body. Balance helps your family. Balance makes your work better too. When you rest, you can work better. When you take time for fun, you feel happy. When you set limits, you do not feel burned out. Limits are rules you make for your time. I will give simple tips to set limits. Tip 1. Make a clear schedule. Plan your day. Write time for work. Write time for rest. Write time for exercise. Write time for meals. Write time for family. Use a simple list. A list helps you remember. A list helps you say no to extra tasks that you do not want. Tip 2. Set clear work hours. Start work on time. End work on time. Do not check work email after work time. Do not answer work calls in your rest time. If you work from home, set a time for work. Close your workspace at the end of the day. Say to your family, this is work time. Say this is family time. Tip 3. Take short breaks during work. Stand up and stretch. Walk for 5 minutes. Breathe slow and deep. Short breaks help your focus. Short breaks help your mood. Tip 4. Learn to say no. Say no when your time is full. Say no when you need rest. Say yes to what matters. Saying no is okay. You do not need to be rude. You can say no in a kind way. A good line is, I am sorry, I cannot do that today. I have another plan. Thank you for asking. Tip 5. Plan time for sleep. Sleep is very important. Sleep helps your mind to rest. Sleep helps your body to heal. Try to sleep at the same time each night. Try to wake at the same time each day. Sleep and a routine help your life balance. Tip 6. Make time for hobbies. Hobbies are fun. Hobbies are not work. Hobbies help your happiness. Hobbies can be reading, music, sport, art, or cooking. Even a short hobby time each day is good. Tip 7. Make time for family and friends. Talk with your loved ones. Share a meal. Go for a walk together. Listen to each other. A good talk can make your week brighter. Tip 8. Use simple daily habits. A habit is a small action you do every day. Habits can be a short walk each morning. Habits can be a short plan for the day. Habits can be a short sleep routine. Small habits make a big change. Tip 9. Ask for help. Ask a friend or a coworker for help. Ask your boss for a change in schedule if you need it. Asking for help is a sign of strength. Do not be afraid to ask. Tip 10. Be present. When you work, focus on work. When you are with family, focus on them. Try not to be on your phone when you are with a loved one. Practice a clear mind. Now I will give some simple phrases you can use at work. These phrases will help you keep balance and be polite. I will say each phrase slowly. You can repeat after me. Phrase 1. I will finish this work today. I will send an email at the end of the day. Phrase 2. I can help with this task tomorrow. I have another task today. Phrase 3. I need time to rest tonight. I will answer in the morning. Phrase 4. I have a family event tonight. I am not available after 5. Phrase 5. Thank you for your offer. I cannot do this now. Maybe next week. Phrase 6. I have a question about my schedule. Can we talk in the morning? Phrase 7. I will set clear work hours. I will not check email after 6 p.m. Phrase 8. I need help with this project. Can someone assist me? Now I will give a short example of a daily plan. This will be very simple. You can use this for practice. This is a simple plan for a weekday. Wake up at 7 a.m. Drink water. Do light exercise for 10 minutes. Take a shower. Eat breakfast. Start work at 9 a.m. Work until 12 p.m. Take a 30-minute lunch. Walk for 10 minutes. Work from 12:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Stop work at 5 p.m. Spend time with family from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eat dinner at 7 p.m. Read or relax at 8 p.m. Go to bed at 10 p.m. This plan is simple. You can change the times. You can change the activities. The idea is to plan time for work and time for life. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. This is a short monologue conversation. I will speak as if I meet a new friend at a coffee shop. I will show how you can share work and life balance in your introduction. You can learn how to talk about your job and your hobbies. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in the United States. I work as a teacher. I enjoy my work very much. I also like music and running. I wake up early to run before work. I work from 9 to 5 on weekdays. After work, I spend time with my family. I cook dinner most nights. I like to read before bed. I try to sleep at 10 p.m. I plan my day to have both work and life. I find small breaks help me to feel calm. I say no to extra work after 5 p.m. when I can. I speak with my boss if I need a change in my schedule. I take a day off when I feel tired. I think balance is about small steps. What about you? What do you like to do after work? Pause the video and repeat the last sentence. Pause the video and repeat the whole introduction. Now I will give another short example. This time the person is a student. The person studies in the morning and works part-time in the afternoon. The person also has time for friends. Hello, my name is Maria. I am a student. I study at college. I have classes in the morning. I work part-time in the afternoon. I meet my friends on weekends. I go to the park to relax. I make a simple plan for my week. I do not check my study email on Sundays. I take 1 day a week to rest. Balance helps me to study well. Repeat this introduction. You can pause the video and repeat each line after me. Next I will give a role play. I will play 2 parts. I will be the person and the friend. Listen and repeat if you can. Good morning, Ben. How are you today? I am good, thank you. I woke up early and I ran. That is great. Did you work today? Yes, I worked at 9 a.m. I finished work at 5 p.m. What did you do after work? I had dinner with my family. Then I read a book. That sounds nice. Do you work on weekends? Not every weekend. I take 1 weekend a month to rest. How do you say no to extra work? I say I have plans that day. I am sorry, I cannot help. That is a polite way to say no. Yes, it is. It helps me to keep balance. Pause the video and repeat the full role play. Now I will give some tips for language practice. These tips are for English learners who want to speak about life balance. Tip 1 for practice. Use simple sentences. Short sentences are easier to say. Short sentences help you to speak clear. Try to speak one idea per sentence. Tip 2 for practice. Use time words. Words like today, tomorrow, morning, evening, and weekend help to explain time. Use them in your sentences. Tip 3 for practice. Use action words. Use words like work, study, rest, plan, sleep, eat, walk, and call. Action words make your sentence clear. Tip 4 for practice. Speak about your routine. Tell a friend when you wake up and when you sleep. Tell a friend when you work and when you rest. Tip 5 for practice. Ask simple questions. Ask your friend, what do you do after work, or when do you sleep? A question helps the other person to speak. Practice asking and answering. Now I will give more useful short sentences you can use in daily talk. Repeat after me. I need a break. I will work on this tomorrow. I have family time now. I am not available at that time. I will be back at 6 p.m. I will send the report in the morning. I need help with this task. I have to rest tonight. I enjoy my free time. Pause the video and repeat all the lines. Next, I will give ideas for small changes you can try this week. These ideas are easy and simple. Try one change each day. Small steps make a big difference. Idea 1. Try to stop work at a set time today. Close your laptop and do one small hobby. Idea 2. Do a 5-minute walk in your lunch break. Idea 3. Turn off work notifications after work hours. Idea 4. Make a short list of 3 things you will do tomorrow. Idea 5. Say no to one task that is not important this week. Idea 6. Plan one night this week to cook a meal with family or a friend. Idea 7. Take a short nap if you feel tired. A short nap can help your focus. Idea 8. Read one short page of a book before bed. Idea 9. Call a friend for 5 minutes this week. Idea 10. Try to sleep 30 minutes earlier one night. Try one idea this week. Notice how you feel after each change. Now I will give some common mistakes. These are mistakes people make when they try to balance work and life. Mistake 1. Doing many tasks at one time. This is multitasking. Multitasking can make you tired. Do one task at a time when you can. Mistake 2. Not setting limits. Work can take all your time if you do not set a limit. Make a rule for your work hours. Mistake 3. Skipping sleep. People skip sleep to do more work. This will make you less productive. Sleep is important. Mistake 4. Not asking for help. You need help sometimes. Ask a friend or a boss. Mistake 5. Forgetting hobbies. Hobbies give joy. Make time for a hobby. Learn from these mistakes. Make a small change today. Now I will give a short practice exercise for you. I will ask simple questions. Pause the video after each question. Answer the question out loud. Try to use simple sentences. Question 1. What time do you start work or study? Pause and answer. Question 2. What do you do after work or study? Pause and answer. Question 3. Do you take a lunch break? Pause and answer. Question 4. How many hours do you sleep on a work night? Pause and answer. Question 5. What hobby do you like to do? Pause and answer. Question 6. Do you check work email in your free time? Pause and answer. Question 7. Can you say no to work after hours? Pause and answer. Question 8. What is one change you can make this week? Pause and answer. Good job for answering these questions. Keep practicing these simple lines each day. Now I will give a short review of the key points. I will say each point one by one. Repeat each point after me. Review point 1. Balance means time for work and time for life. Review point 2. Plan your day with a simple schedule. Review point 3. Set clear work hours and limits. Review point 4. Take short breaks and rest. Review point 5. Say no when you need to. Review point 6. Sleep and small habits help a lot. Review point 7. Ask for help when you need it. Review point 8. Be present with your family and friends. Repeat all points one more time. Pause the video and repeat. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did well. You listened and you spoke. You can do this each day to get better. Try to use small steps. Try to use one idea from this lesson. Try to practice with a friend. Try to make one new habit this week. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.